In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Discord. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Discord or not very technical, you'll be able to follow along and get everything set up smoothly. First, open Discord on your computer. This can be either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. For the best experience and full settings access, I recommend using the desktop app. Once Discord is open, make sure you're logged in to the account you want to use. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct server or profile if you manage more than one. Next, we're going to head into your user settings. Look for the small gear icon, usually located at the bottom left of the Discord window, near your username and avatar. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you'll find most of the options related to your account, audio, video, and overall app behavior. In the settings menu, look for any sections related to voice, video, or audio processing. Depending on your version of Discord, you might see categories like voice and video, noise suppression, or advanced settings. This is where Discord lets you control input and output devices and where many filter-style features live. Now, let's focus on the filters themselves. Discord includes built-in tools like noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control. These act as filters on your microphone input. Turn on noise suppression to reduce background sounds like keyboard clicks or fans. Enable echo cancellation if your voice gets picked up from your speakers. Automatic gain control can help level out your volume so you're not too quiet or too loud. After toggling each option, speak into your mic and watch the input level bar to see how it reacts. You may want to jump into a test call or use the built-in mic test feature so you can actually hear the difference each setting makes. If you want more advanced filters, such as equalizers or custom effects, you'll typically need to combine Discord with other software on your computer, like virtual audio cables or audio mixing tools. Set those up to process your microphone first, then select that processed input as your microphone inside Discord's voice and video settings. Make sure to test thoroughly so your sound is clear and not distorted. Once you're happy with everything, click out of the settings and join a voice channel to try it in a real conversation. Ask a friend for quick feedback on how you sound and tweak the options if needed.